In this lecture, we are going to see how we can install Kali Linux on VMware. Kali is a popular distro among the security community due to its design. It incorporates tools oriented towards penetration testing, security research, computer forensics, and reverse engineering. Kali Linux is pre-installed with over 600 pen testing programs. So, in this lecture, we are going to see how we can install VMware, and then we are going to see how we can install Kali Linux on it. Now for the VMware, we are going to use the free version. Moreover, for Kali Linux, we are going to install the live CD version. First of all, download and install VMware Player from the given website. VMware Player is free to install. Now download Kali Live ISO and install it in VMware. Let's move to the demonstration to actually install Kali on VMware machine. First of all, on your Windows machine, search for VMware. I am using Windows 10, but this can be done on Windows 11 as well. Open the official website and ensure that you are on VMware Workstation Player page. Click Download for PC. Here you can see the version of the workstation and just click Download. And click Start Download. Once downloaded, open the installer and download VMware Workstation. Once installed, click Finish. Now close this window. Once installed, just double click VMware icon to open it and choose the option to use it for personal use. Now come back to your browser. Search for Kali Linux. Open the official website and click on Download. Here there are many versions of Kali available. There are also versions for virtual machines, but we are not going to install that. We are going to install the live boot version for this demo. Now this live version has a major advantage that once you shut down the machine, it resets all settings, which is very beneficial in pen testing environment. Now for VMware, I recommend that you install 32-bit version. Just select the 32-bit version and click on download. You can also download it via torrent. It's around 3 GB. Just start download. Once downloaded, you will have an ISO image. Now we need to install this on our VMware. Just open VMware. Click on Create a new virtual machine. Select the ISO file. And click Next. Now you need to select the operating system that you are installing. Just select Ubuntu from the list. Give your virtual machine a name. Now click on Next. Select the option to split disk into multiple files. Now click on Next. Now you need to customize some hardware. Just we need to change one thing here. Just select the network card and change the setting to bridge. In bridge mode, your machine will act as a separate PC on your network and it will have a separate IP, which will be very useful in performing some attacks. Now click Finish and your virtual machine will be created. Now click on Play button and your virtual machine will start. Just select the Live Boot option and your Kali will start in VMware. Now once started, you can check the IP address of your machine by opening the terminal and giving it the command of ifconfig. So we have successfully installed Kali Linux on our VMware with a separate dedicated IP address.